Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. So this video is all about audio drivers. So you go onto the website, you download the audio driver for your laptop/PC. It has to be Dell, of course. And all of a sudden the driver is not working and you don't know what to do. So I've got a solution. What you need to do is restart your system. So once you click on start, restart Windows, your laptop will reboot, but I want you to reboot into BIOS configuration settings. So F2, yeah. So once the laptop/PC restarts, keep pressing F2, tapping, pressing whatever, and then BIOS will appear on screen. So this is BIOS UEFI. Scroll down as mentioned. This is your maker model of your audio driver, so you know where to go to now. Write that down and then head over to Google, type in the maker model of the audio driver, go onto the manufacturer website and download the driver for your system, and this will make your system pick up the audio driver, because sometimes manufacturers make mistakes and some drivers are not compatible. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.